How to send the entire email as a thread in Outlook. Hello everyone, my name is Smile, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can do it. So if you have Outlook in your phone, what you can do is first of all go to your Outlook. After you go to your Outlook, then you should select the inboxes or the emails that you want to forward to. So you can do what is simply select those emails and then tap on the very three vertical lines, and then you can simply tap on move to a folder and move these emails to a folder, and then all the emails when you tap on it will be visible with all the messages right there. When you tap on move to a folder, then what you can simply do is you can simply go to compose a mail, type the person's name, and when you go to the subject, after writing the subject, attach an attachment with the folder, and you can simply paste the folder you have pasted this emails with. That's how you can do it in your phone. But if you are using your PC, then you can simply go to the messages icon to see all the whole messages on your email, and you can simply forward the emails. Now all the emails name and every words will be visible while you forward it. That's how we can do it. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, then please do hit the thumbs up and subscribe button, and also comment in the comment section below. Thank you for watching.